Here's how to run computer performance benchmark test on Windows 11. Windows does have a built-in tool for checking performance, but it doesn't provide much detailed information. Instead, I'm going to show you how to use a free tool to test your system and get a better idea of how well your computer performs. First, open up your internet browser and search for Passmark Benchmark. From the search results, open the official Passmark website. Once you're on the website, scroll down until you find Performance Test. Then click on Learn More. From here, click the free download button in the top right corner. Then select your operating system, choose Windows, and then click Download Performance Test. The download should only take a few moments. Once it's finished, open the file from your Downloads folder and follow the installation steps to install the software on your computer. After the installation is complete, select Launch Performance Test and click Finish. The application will now collect some basic information about your computer, which should only take a few seconds. Once that's finished, click Run Benchmark. You'll see a message explaining that all tests are about to run and that the process may take several minutes. Simply click Yes to continue. Depending on your computer, the benchmark can take around 10 to 20 minutes to complete, so you'll need to leave your system running while the tests are being performed. During the process, you may also see different graphics and images appear on your screen. Don't worry, this is completely normal and is part of the performance testing process. Once the benchmark is complete, you'll see a results screen similar to this. You don't necessarily need to understand every individual metric. Generally, the higher your score, the better your system has performed. You can look at the different scores and percentages to see how your computer compares with other systems. For example, you can see the CPU performance score and the percentile your computer falls into compared with other tested systems. Click OK to continue, and you'll then be able to view your overall Passmark rating. This gives you a general idea of how your entire system performs compared with computers tested around the world. You can also use the rating dial to see where your computer falls among other systems. If your score is around the middle range, your computer is performing close to average. If your score reaches the higher green section, your system is performing better than a large percentage of other computers. On the other hand, if your score falls into the lower red section, your computer is performing below many other systems. You can also explore the different categories individually to see how your CPU, graphics, memory, and other components are performing. This can help you identify which parts of your computer may need an upgrade or improvement. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.